Tired of manually copying lead information and feeling like your leads are lost in the shuffle? Let's automate your lead management by connecting your lead sources directly to a spreadsheet using Zapier first. Head over to Zapier.com and log into your account or sign up for a new one if you don't already have one. Now click the Create Zap button. It's usually prominent on your dashboard. This will start the process of building your automated workflow. Now, select your trigger app. This is where your leads will be coming from. For example, if you're running Facebook lead ads, choose Facebook lead ads, or if you're collecting leads through Google Forms, select Google Forms. Connect your account. For the trigger app, Zapier will guide you through this process. Then, tell Zapier exactly what should trigger the Zap. This might be a new lead from a specific Facebook campaign, or a new form submission in Google Forms. Be as specific as possible. Next, choose your action app, which will most likely be Google Sheets or Excel. Select the specific action you want, like create spreadsheet row, if you want to add new leads to your spreadsheet, or update spreadsheet row, if you want to update existing information. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier, then select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want your lead data to go. Now it's time to map your fields. This is where you tell Zapier which information from your lead source corresponds to which column in your spreadsheet. For example, map the name field from your Facebook lead, add to the name column in your Google Sheet. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now every time a new lead comes in through your chosen source, Zapier will automatically add or update their information in your spreadsheet in real time. That's it. Automate your lead generation process today.